Pritchett is running against a machine, $1 million machine. Do you think that Senate District 39 is for sale?
No!
Are your votes for sale?
No!
But let me tell you something. We knocked on over 25,000 doors.
That's right! That's right!
You can't buy that.
No!
You can either choose to go with an establishment, or you can choose the only candidate that has the relevant experience in working with government, working at the Capitol with State Senator Donzella James, State Representative Sandra Scott, State Representative Ronnie Mabra. I've worked at the Capitol over 10 years. I've worked at the city of South Fulton as a legislative specialist. I've done what I needed to do to know what I have to do to help you.